Am I the a-hole for not giving my ex the items we bought for our stillborn daughter after he lost his job? My 26F ex, 27M, cheated on me 2 days after our daughter was stillborn. He wasn't going to tell me until the woman got pregnant. I found out exactly 3 months after my daughter passed. Then I kicked him out. He and the woman are now together and their son was born a few weeks ago. He asked me for the belongings we bought for our daughter. He said he lost his job and she's not making much, and they don't have enough for him. I told him to leave me alone and forget I ever existed, like I was trying to do with him. He told me I was being spiteful and needed to think of his son, who is innocent in all this. He then started telling some people who knew us both. Most told him he was out of line to even ask, but a few of the friends we had suggested that I should put aside my hurt and anger and think of the boy who is my daughter's brother, and that I need to be the bigger person.